The upgraded Apache helicopters of the Hellenic Army Aviation are fully ready for Spike NLOS missiles. They have therefore been successfully completed by the Israeli Elbit systems. The upgrade work on the first 64A Apache attack helicopters of our Army Aviation, with the awarding of the relevant military airworthiness certificates taking place yesterday. Specifically, the modernization program includes the following new electro-optical systems, namely the replacement of the old TAD systems with state-of-the-art electro-optical and thermal systems from Elbit. For precise detection and engagement of targets day and night, test firings of all weapon systems have already been conducted at the Litahoro firing range with excellent results. The installation of new mission subsystems, which include communications, self-protection systems, and preparations for the future integration of Spike NLOS guided missiles, is well underway. The overall program concerns the upgrade of the fleet of 1964A helicopters and is being implemented in cooperation with Greek technicians at the Army Aviation facilities. On Monday, June 80th, a ceremony for the awarding of military airworthiness certificates to the company Elbit Systems was held at the facilities of the National Military Airworthiness Authority in the presence of the Chief of the Hellenic National Defense General Staff, General Dimitrios Choupis. The upgraded 64A Apache helicopters of the Army Aviation are equipped with the guided Spike NLOS missiles, gaining the capability to engage targets beyond visual range at distances of up to 32 kilometers. The combination of these weapon systems radically changes the operational doctrine for our Army Aviation, providing many advantages. That was the video. If you liked it, you can subscribe to the channel to get notified about every new video. Don't forget to share your opinion in the comments.